Hi. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hey, friends. I hope you're feeling relaxed, comfortable, and ready to Learn English in a natural way.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack.
This podcast is for you if you want to speak English confidently, step by step, without fear.
Yes, we don't focus on perfect grammar. We focus on real English, real feelings, real conversations.
And today's topic is very exciting.
Very exciting, and also very emotional.
We're talking about your plans for 2026.
Future plans, future dreams, future hopes.
And don't worry, we'll use simple English so even beginners can follow.
Before we start, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this podcast with someone who is learning English.
It really helps our channel grow.
Okay, Emma, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Does time feel fast to you?
Very fast. Honestly, sometimes I feel like yesterday was 2020.
Same here. And now people are already talking about 2026.
I know. When I hear 2026, my brain says, that's the future. That's far.
But actually, it's not that far.
Exactly. And that's why today's topic is important.
Because when we talk about the future, we don't just practice English.
We also think about our life,
Our goals,
our habits.
and what we really want.
So, friends, today we'll help you learn how to talk about your 2026 plans in English.
Not in a boring way,
Not like a textbook.
but like two friends talking on a sofa with coffee.
We'll use sentences like, in 2026, I want to.
In 2026, I'm planning to.
I hope I will.
By 2026, I want to be.
Very useful phrases. Emma, how do you feel when you think about 2026?
A mix of feelings.
Like what?
Excited, but also a little scared.
That's very honest.
Because the future is unknown.
Yes, and many learners feel scared to talk about the future in English too. Exactly. They think, what if I make mistakes?
But mistakes are part of learning.
And part of life.
Let me try a simple sentence.
Go ahead.
In 2026, I want to speak English confidently.
That's perfect. Very simple, very clear.
Friends, you can pause the video and say this sentence aloud.
Yes, speak with us. Okay, Jack, what is one small plan you have for 2026?
Honestly,
Yes,
in 2026, I want to have a balanced life.
that's a beautiful goal.
I want to work, but also rest.
That's very relatable.
How about you?
In 2026, I want to feel more confident, not only in English, but in life.
That's powerful.
Friends, what about you? Where do you see yourself in 2026?
Maybe you want a new job.
Maybe you want to travel.
Maybe you just want peace.
All goals are valid.
Let's teach one very useful structure.
Okay.
By 2026, I want to.
Example, by 2026, I want to improve my English speaking skills.
Simple and natural.
You don't need big words.
Some people say, I have no plans. That's also a plan,
Yes, sometimes the plan is to figure things out.
and that's okay.
Jack, can I be honest?
Of course. When you say, can I be honest, something interesting is coming.
I feel 2026 is important.
Important how?
Like, not just another year. It feels like a turning point.
Oh, wow, I feel that too. 2026 sounds like a year where people stop waiting and start doing.
Exactly. And you know what our listeners often ask?
Let me guess. How do I talk about my future plans in English without getting confused?
Yes. They say, Emma, I have plans, dreams, goals, but I don't know how to say them clearly.
That's such a real problem. People have plans, but English stops them.
So today, in this part, let's talk like real people. Not textbook English, just How normal people talk about 2026 plans.
I love that. Let's start simple. Emma, what's one simple plan you have for 2026?
Okay, very simple. In 2026, I want to wake up earlier.
See, that's perfect English. I want to wake up earlier.
Not big grammar. Not scary.
Exactly. Listeners, you don't need big words. You can say, in 2026, I want to learn English better.
Next year, I plan to exercise more.
In 2026, I hope to travel.
Hope, want, plan. These 3 words are gold.
Yes, let's repeat slowly for learners. I want to, I hope to, I plan to.
Jack, can I say something funny?
Always.
People think their plans must be perfect to talk about them.
Oh yes, like, I can't speak until my plan is 100% clear.
But real life doesn't work like that.
Exactly. Native speakers say things like, I'm not sure yet, but I'm thinking about changing my job in 2026.
That sentence is powerful. Let's help people who are not sure about 2026.
Great idea.
You can say, I'm not sure yet. I'm still thinking about it. I haven't decided.
Yes, you don't need confidence to speak English. You just need honesty.
Jack, what about you? What are your 2026 plans?
Okay. In 2026, I'm thinking about starting something new.
See? That sounds natural.
I didn't say what exactly because I don't know yet.
And that's okay.
Listeners, repeat after us in your mind. In 2026, I'm thinking about...
You can finish that sentence any way you like. Jack, do you notice something?
What?
People, when they talk about the future, they also talk about feelings.
Oh, yes. Future plans are emotional.
So learners should say feelings too.
For example,
Like this. I'm excited about 2026. I feel nervous about my future. I'm a little scared, but also hopeful.
that's beautiful English.
And very human.
Let's imagine a normal conversation.
Okay,
I meet you at a cafe.
I already like this.
I ask, so Emma, any plans for 2026?
I say, well, I want to focus on myself more. I want a healthier routine.
And I reply, that sounds good. I think 2026 is a good year for change.
See, listeners? This is how English is used in real life.
Not perfect grammar, just clear thoughts.
Many listeners want to talk about work and study.
Yes, very common topic.
Here are some natural sentences. In 2026, I want to improve my skills. I plan to study something new. I hope to get a better job.
Or even, I don't love my job now, so in 2026, I want to change.
That sentence is real-life English.
Emma, let's talk about dreams.
Yes, big dreams.
People often say, my dream is too big. I can't say it in English.
But English loves dreams.
You can say, one day I want to, my dream is to, I would love to.
Even if it feels far away.
Jack, can I speak directly to our listeners? Please do.
Dear listener, you don't need perfect English to talk about 2026. Your English will grow while you talk.
Yes, speaking creates confidence, not the other way around.
Your plans matter. Your voice matters.
Emma, quick question.
Uh-oh.
In 2026, will you finally stop pressing snooze?
Absolutely not.
Honest English, I love it.
See, listeners, you can even joke about your future.
Let's practice together.
Listeners, say this sentence quietly or out loud. In 2026, I want to...
Now another one. In 2026, I hope to...
And one more. In 2026, I'm thinking about...
That's it. You are already talking about your future in English.
Okay, Jack, I feel something.
What?
This conversation feels warm.
Because the future doesn't have to be scary,
It can be friendly.
just like English.
Jack, can I say something honestly?
Always. Go on.
When people talk about future plans, like in 2026, I will do this, I will do that, sometimes it feels scary. Not because plans are bad, but because life changes so fast.
That's very real. Sometimes our plans change, and that's okay.
Exactly. So today, when we talk about 2026 plans in English, I don't want learners to feel pressure.
Yes, plans don't have to be big, perfect, or impressive.
Plans can be simple. Plans can be small. Plans can even be, I'm not sure yet.
And guess what? That is still correct English.
Okay, let's teach something very useful now.
Yes, how native speakers talk when they are not 100% sure.
For example, instead of saying, I will definitely move to a new country in 2026, that sounds very strong. You can say, I'm thinking about moving to a new country in 2026. I might move next year. I'm not sure yet, but I'm considering it.
These sentences are very natural. Native speakers use them all the time.
Because real life is not fixed.
Okay, friends listening at home, try to repeat after Emma.
I'm planning to improve my English in 2026.
Nice. Now a softer one.
I'm hoping to travel more in 2026.
Good. Now uncertain but honest.
I'm not sure yet, but I might change my job.
Perfect. That's real English, not textbook English.
Okay, Jack, how would you say this casually? You meet a friend at a cafe and they ask, So, what's your plan for 2026?
I'd probably say something like, I want to focus more on my health, and I'm thinking of learning a new skill.
That sounds very natural.
Yes, not dramatic, not too serious, just real.
Exactly what learners need. Can we talk about feelings for a moment?
Of course.
Some people feel excited about the future. Some feel nervous. Some feel lost.
And all of those feelings are normal.
So if someone says, I feel a little anxious about 2026, but I want to try my best, that sentence is not weak.
It's strong.
And it's beautiful English.
Let's give more examples learners can actually use.
Okay.
In 2026, I want to become more confident when I speak English.
I plan to stop being afraid of making mistakes.
I want to speak English more naturally, even if it's not perfect.
See? These aren't just language goals, they're life goals. Okay, serious question.
Uh-oh.
In 2026, will you finally wake up early?
Hey, that's a very ambitious plan.
So, how would you say it in English?
I'm trying to wake up earlier in 2026, but no promises.
Perfect sentence. Very honest English.
Let's help learners mix tenses naturally.
Yes, like this. In 2026, I'm going to focus on myself. I've already started changing my habits, and I hope things will improve.
Beautiful. Future plus present perfect plus hope.
That's how real conversations work. Some learners think they must say big things like, I will become very successful.
But native speakers often say, I just want a peaceful life.
Or, I want to feel proud of myself.
Simple words, deep meaning.
If you are listening right now and thinking, my English is not good enough yet,
Let me say this clearly. Your English does not need to be perfect to talk about your future.
you just need courage and practice.
And mistakes are part of the plan.
Here's a small daily habit you can start.
Every night, say one sentence about your future.
Example, tomorrow I will practice English for 10 minutes.
Or, in 2026, I want to become more confident.
Small sentences, big progress. Jack, I really enjoyed today's conversation.
Me too. It felt real, like friends talking.
And that's exactly how we want you to speak English.
Not memorized, not stressed, just natural.
If this conversation helped you,
Please hit the like button. It really supports our channel.
and subscribe if you want more friendly English conversations like this.
We're here to learn together.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack.
See you in the next episode, and don't forget, your future English starts today.